You are using Autodesk 2025 or newer, you will notice that some buttons have been moved. So before in 2024 and older, there were a lot of options that were popping up here in this green ribbon when you had an active command. But now a lot of those have been moved. So in a very common area I've seen this happen for my students is when they're working on a custom wall module and they want to pick the placement plane for the custom component. They want to pick, one of these lines. I'm going to show you 2026 now, but this is also for 2025 where this placement plane has moved so that you can continue working on your custom wall. Hey there, so if you click on the dot for the work plane, you'll actually see now in properties there is a work plane not associated, and you can come here and then pick one of these work planes. Quick way, which I don't know if I mentioned this in the video or not, you can also, I was gonna say you can use 3D snapping for the point, but it actually might not be available unless you're doing some of the curves. But when you do have the curves, you can come into the 3D snapping, which allows you to really easily snap into this, and it's really handy. But yeah, so it's here under the properties. You can also set it through here, set work plane as well, but it's the same thing.